Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about DDoS attacks, so let's get started. Today a significant part of cyber attacks are realized as DDoS attacks. In this attack the daemon is sent far beyond the target victim's server and it is ensured that it is out of service. If you do this attack from one point, it's called DDoS attack. If you do from more than one point, it's called DDoS attack. In this attack type, the attacker doesn't need technical knowledge. The single and most important factor is the client power you have. The more clients you have, the higher the number of answers you will want instantly from the server. So, what is a botnet? It's a word consisting of the combination of the words robot and network. It is the name given to the network by an attacker that tens, hundreds, thousands of victims can use as a robot. These robots on the network are also called zombie computer. How a DDoS attack works. The victim prepares a malware to put the computer into his service and tries to spread this malware as much as he can. At the time of attack, zombie computers send requests to the target with these softwares. System crash due to excessive requests, so more spread, more client. As an example of DDoS attack, everyone wants to visit the site at the same time when the exam results are announced, but some people cannot access the site. If the server hosting the website here has the capacity to answer 10,000 requests at the same time, it will not be able to serve 10,001 people. Types of attacks. There are many types of attack, but I want to talk about three. So first, SIM flat. In the three-way handshake is initiated when the client system sends a SIM message to the server. The server then receives the message and responds with a SIM ACK message back to the client. Finally, the client confirms the connection with a final ACK message. But in this attack, the attacker sends a high volume of SIM packets to the targeted server, often with spoofed IP addresses. The server doesn't receive the ACK message because the IP address is fake. While the server is waiting for the last ACK packet, the attacker continues to send more SIM packets. The system stops working normally with every new message. LAT attack, basically similar to SIM flat attack. In a LAT attack, the attacker sends a TCP SIM spoof packet where source and destination IPs and ports are set to be identical. When the target machine tries to reply, it enters a loop, repeatedly sending replies to itself, which eventually causes the victim machine to crash. HTTP flood attack. HTTP flood is an attack in which an attacker uses HTTP GET or POST requests to attack a web server or application. HTTP flood attacks are volumetric attacks that use a zombie army and internet-connected group, often with the help of malware such as the Trojan horse. History time. Biggest attack on February 28. The world's largest code-sharing platform, GitHub, remained closed for 10 minutes. Subject to a DDoS attack that reached 1.35 terabytes of violence per second. The attack hit the top and he was recorded as the largest DDoS attack. You see on the right in the DDoS digital attack map presented by Norse company. It is seen that DDoS traffic on the world is very busy on February 28, 2018. This is real-time cyber attack map. we are 13 on this map. I put the link in the explanation if you want to look. This is important part of for us. Measures, they are using Cloudflare, taking measures at the router level, taking measures at the firewall level. I put a link to the description for this topic, and thank you for watching and listening.